Hello everyone, here is our Node.js interview questions video. First of all, first question is what is Node.js and how does it differ from others server-side technologies like Apache or PHP? Node.js is an asynchronous event-driven and non-blocking programming language, whereas PHP is a synchronous programming language. This means that Node.js is a better option for speeding up the development process than PHP. Next question is what is callback function in Node.js and why are they commonly used in asynchronous programming? Node.js callbacks are a special types of functions passed as an argument to end the functions they are, when they are called. When the function that contains callback as an argument completes the execution and allows the code in the callback to run in the meantime. Callbacks helps us make asynchronous calls. Also, simply they are used for callbacking without I have to write entire code. What is the purpose of the package.json file in Node.js project? Can you explain the key properties found in this file? The package.json file is the heart of any uh, Node project. It records important metadata about a project, which is required before publishing npm, and also defines functional attributes of a project that npms used to install dependencies, run scripts, and identify entire point to our package. Explains the difference between require and important statements in Node.js. When and why would you use one over the other? Require includes the complete file generally, whereas the important we can include specific export components only. This is the main difference between them. And next, what is middleware in the context of Express.js? Can you give an example of how you would use middleware in an Express application? Middleware is Express.json is a function that is accessible to the request response objects and next middleware function. It can exclude any code, terminate the request response cycle, make needed changes in request and response objects, and detect errors. So this is for this. And coming to next question, what is RESTful API and how can you create one using Node.js and Express.js? Explain the main HTTP method used in RESTful APIs. RESTful API is a web service that follows the properties of REST architecture. It It uses standard HTTP methods such as get, post, put, delete, etc. to perform CRUD operations on resources, and data is typically transferred in JSON or XML format. Next question. What is the purpose of the Node Package Manager (NPM) and how do you use it manage dependencies in Node.js project? NPM Node Package Manager is a command line utility which makes it easier to manage external libraries used for your program. Why is it important to passwords in web applications? It is used to verify the integrity of data and to ensure the data has not been modified. Uh, the most important key thing to remember about hashing is that it is a one-way process. So hashing is a one-way process. So it is important to hash passports in a web application. Thank you.